Then check this out. Ready now?
Hey people, Gary here from iDigit Affiliate, and today we want to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets. All right guys, so it's been a while and I decided to go and get back started on this. I haven't done it in a while, so I want to see and I want to show y'all something very important. As you can see, I got a sale Monday. I want you to understand something. I have not promoted this program for months. I'm still making money off of it. I think that's very important to point out. A lot of programs ain't like that. I'm still making money off stuff that I did, when I was making these videos. So I haven't promoted this at all in months. So I want to make sure I clarify that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start back up, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make money very easy, very simple. All right. So first and foremost, what we're gonna do, guys. All right. First, you want to log in. A link in the description there, and it's going to show you this. All right guys, I'll take you to this page and basically talk about what this program is. It's a funnel builder overall, but ultimately the reason why we're checking this thing out and this company in general, because of their affiliate program. Their affiliate program is the highest I have ever seen. 80% recurring income. That means you can make 80% recurring income. You just can promote it. You can make way more money off of one sale, like one customer, than any other site. Like, I still have people in this system from when I used to promote it like months ago. Now a lot of people have dropped off, but months ago when I was promoting this, I was making a lot of money. All right, so we're gonna get back to it, and I think I haven't promoted this since last year. Actually, it's been a year, I think, I promoted this product. It's actually been a year. I'm still making money off of stuff I sold a year ago. That's crazy. But anyway guys, we're gonna get down to it. Basically what this is, you can make $20 or $100 monthly commissions for each customer per. Fantastic, all that. Now that's cool and all you gotta do, like I say here, you says here 80% of the commissions, every product in their system. This right here promotes 3 particular products, guys. 2 recurring commissions. That means you make money every single month. 2 of them, that's $20 and the $100 product, and then there's a $1,000 product. No, $500 product. You make $400 off of. That's also in this program. Now, I just want to show you guys that this is legit, something dope, and make money. All right, so you get on yes I want in. You want to try this out, right? It's gonna take you to this page. Basically just put in your information, blah blah blah, whatever you want, right? And right here, $25. Now you get 14. Here's the coolest part about this. This is for the $100 commission product. Get 14 days free. That means you don't even have to own the product to get sales for it for 14 days, guys. So you promote this product and they buy this program here. Even though you only got the 14-day free trial, you will get that commission. We'll make $100 off of it, so on and so forth. All right, so it's very, very good. That's all I'm trying to stress. It's very, very. All right, so you click on complete order, blah blah blah, get the program, right? You log in, all the stuff, and you in the program. Now eventually you're gonna get to a page that takes you to the affiliate marketing page here. All right, it's pretty simple. It's very easy. Video about every single step, by the way, guys. Maybe I should show that, but at the moment I just want to stress how easy it is first. I want to show you how easy it is. But anyway, I'm gonna get your links, guys. These are your links that you can use. All right, and this is that I am hit this page. All right, this is the one that promotes 3 programs, right? They constantly add new stuff as well. And if you're interested, also Let's Go. I think that's a pretty interesting product to promote. Well, you'll get $8 out of $10, but the program is it's all about tracking your morning routine, so it might be possibly a lot easier to promote. That's all I'm trying. So you can make a lot of money with that app, tracking it. The app for tracking, and there's a lot of people that do it. So you get $8 monthly from that. So that's a good product to try to promote. Well, we're not gonna do that today. We're using a program where people are interested in making money. Fine. That's right. We My Lead and find all right, so we go into My Lead Gen Secrets. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna go to log in here. Now you just put in your information, whatever it may be, and you log in. Boom, I'm in. As you can see, I haven't promoted this in a very long time. Can't remember last time. Anyway, we're gonna go to this right here. We're still collecting leads just by being in the system. So there's a bunch of new people that haven't seen offer yet. I haven't done this in so long. All right, so what we're gonna do here, guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to get email. They save the emails once you put in there. I'm gonna show you how to get. So the best way to get email is simply, you could write them yourself, make something real short and quick, easy, if you want to, or you can just use ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, whatever AI you want to use, right? And today we're going to use Microsoft Copilot, but it works for ChatGPT as well. I've already written a prompt for us to use to for ChatGPT here, and this is what we're going to use for the prompt for them to make us emails. Now, one thing I want to make sure you understand, this is my link. All right, guys, this is my link. Now, if you use this link, I'm gonna get your sale. All right, make sure to replace your link and also change your name. Make sure I guess you don't really need to change your name, but you probably want to change your name. But make sure to write your link, and this is the parameters I'm gonna use. Write this. The prompt that I'm gonna write this. Let's see what comes out of this. It's gonna copy this link and go to a. Gonna go to a. But we already got the prompt in there, right? I just haven't hit enter yet. Let's simply go to. I think it's a little long, but I'm gonna take it just to try it out because I don't know. Like I say, the emojis, can't use the emojis. And the subject, I don't think you can. We're gonna do one more thing. We're gonna first name, so it feels a little personal. For their first name, please hide there. Boom. Okay, I think is this the right link? Nah, gotta put in our own link. Paste. My bad there. Gotta get my link. Very simple to do. Get our link. Back. Get that in there. Boom. Pretty solid. Just gonna go with that email there. That's a pretty solid email. Get perfect timing here. What perfect timing does is it sends the email around the time that people check emails. So for example, if you were to check your emails around 8 o'clock, then you'll get your email around the clock. So it's a better chance of you checking out the email. Anyway, and then we previewed it. Looks pretty cool. Looks pretty cool. All right, so we're gonna just stick with that in the email. Oh, geez, I forgot. Boom, in the email. What email? Oh, I see it. Okay. And there we go, guys. We sent the email. Email's been sent. All those people. And yeah, man, it's just that simple. Just that easy. You do this every day, every morning, say so to speak. Throw this in there. It only takes a couple of minutes a day. And you can make some money real easy, guys. At least some like a pay a bill or two at least. All right. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.